Hello everyone, what's going on? Welcome to the new tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Android app using Android Studio. By the end of this video, you will know how to create an Android app and how to test it in the Android emulator. To get latest tutorials on technology, subscribe to my YouTube channel. At first, you have to download Android Studio. I will leave the link in the description. Use all the default settings and that should work for you. Upon downloading the Android Studio, you can open the Android Studio and you should be seeing a similar screen like this. Now, select Start a new project and you will be prompted with a template menu. And from these templates, select an empty activity and click on Next. You will be prompted with this screen where it asks you to enter the application number. Enter whatever the application number you are thinking of. Right now, I'm adding the name as first application. Now, coming to the name of the package name, you can give whatever name you want, but this matters when you are trying to upload your app to the Play Store. Anyone uses their company domain name as a package name. So let me enter a company name com.expa.first application. And the next field asks you to where to save this Android project. I'm leaving the default one as it is. Then you are prompted to select a particular language. You can develop Android apps in Java or Kotlin. I'm using Java right now. And then minimum SDK is based on your target audience. You can get more information in the link provided. Now click on finish. This will take some time for the app to get downloaded. Start. Okay, now the Gradle build is finished. You'll also see something like this when your build is also finished. If you find any errors, just click on this build icon so that the project gets rebuilt and the errors get sorted. So now let me show you the app structure, the folder structure of a project. In this folder structure, you can see we will see mainly into both two things. One is the layout files and the other is the main file. Whatever Android app that you have created will have two files. One is the main activity file or the XML file. XML file is basically whatever view you view in your Android phone is the XML file. Here in this, you can have three types of views that the Android Studio provides. This is the complete view that you will be able to see. And here, if you want to make it a landscape mode and see how your activity looks, you can see. You can see only the design or only the blueprint or only the both of them. This is the view where you see only the code. There is only text view and this is in a constraint layout. Okay. Now in this particular view, you will be able to see both the code as well as the layout view. And then there is a main activity, which is basically the backend of our the view that we are viewing. Set content view connects your activity file with the layout file. All the layout files are kept in the resources layout folder, and the activities are kept in the this you can create multiple packages. Now coming to the manifest file. Manifest file is the basically a configuration file where you set different various types of permissions that your Android app requires and the activity where your app should launch as soon as you open the app. Now saying that, let's run this app in Android emulator and see how does it look. Let me run. So you can, if your device is connected, you will be able to see the devices here, but I am running this in a Android emulator which is already there. So here you can see how an app is launched in the Android emulator. That's all for this tutorial, guys. See you again. Bye.